Imagine you're looking at a dinner plate. If you hold it flat in front of you, you see a perfect circle. But if you flip it 90 degrees, it becomes a thin, sharp line. In the constellation Andromeda, about 30 million light-years away, there is a dinner plate made of 100 billion stars. This is NGC 891. To us, it's one of the most famous edge-on galaxies in the night sky. While our own Milky Way would look very similar if viewed from the side, NGC 891 gives us a front-row seat to the anatomy of a spiral galaxy that we simply can't get from inside our own. Discovered by William Herschel in 1784, this galaxy has earned the nickname the Outer Limits Galaxy, thanks to 1960s TV and the Silver Sliver. But today, we aren't just looking at a pretty picture. We're going to dissect it. Why does NGC 891 look so different from the famous whirlpool shapes we usually see? It's all about the galactic plane. Because we are viewing it perfectly from the side, we can see three distinct structural components. The bright bulge. Look at the center. See that slight swelling? That's the galactic nucleus. It's packed with older, yellow-red stars. The thin disk. This is the blade of the galaxy. It's where the youngest stars live, and where the action happens. The dust lane. This is the most striking feature, a dark, jagged scar running right through the middle. That dark line isn't a hole in the galaxy. It's actually a massive collection of interstellar dust and gas. This dust acts like cosmic smoke, blocking the light from the stars behind it. If you were standing on a planet inside that dust lane, the night sky would be pitch black. But for astronomers, this dust is the nursery of the galaxy. It's the raw material for future suns. For a long time, we thought galaxies were static. We were wrong. NGC 891 is actually breathing. Using X-ray and radio telescopes, scientists discovered something invisible to the human eye: galactic fountains. Inside the disk, massive stars are exploding as supernovae. These explosions are so powerful, they kick hot gas thousands of light years out of the disk and into the halo, the space surrounding the galaxy. Eventually, that gas cools down and rains back down into the disk, where it can collapse to form new stars. The dark bubble that appears near the galactic bulb is normal. Since the galactic bulb is mostly made of red dwarfs, and since these stars are too small to go supernova, it's normal that no gas gets ejected there. Why do astronomers spend so much time staring at NGC 891? Because it's a mirror. Because we live inside the Milky Way, we can't see our own shape clearly. It's like trying to map a house while you're locked in the pantry. But NGC 891 is a morphological twin of the Milky Way. By measuring how fast its stars rotate and how its dust is distributed, we learn about our own home. When we look at the Silver Sliver, we are looking at a what if. What if we could fly 30 million light-years away and look back? We'd see a thin glowing needle in the dark, a silent city of stars, and dark dust lane hiding the secrets of how worlds are born. So the next time you look up at the constellation Andromeda, remember that beyond the stars you can see lies a silver needle in the deep. NGC 891 reminds us that the universe is all about perspective. From one angle, a circle. From another, a sliver. but from any angle, a masterpiece of physics and time.